Hi guys, this is Ruby with MRV Financial. Thank you so much for checking in with us today for our topic of the week. We do have our winners that will be announced today. So let's get on to spin the wheel on that and let's find out who our winner is. For everyone that participated, thank you so much. If you don't win today, we will roll out your names into next month's raffle. So let's go ahead and see what we have. Congratulations, Unique Paid. Thank you so much again to everybody for playing. Again, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel so that your name can be entered into our surprise raffles. Unique is going to get to go ahead and spin the wheel to find out what her secret surprise is. Let's get on with our topic. For our topic of the week, where is that 1099 miscellaneous form? I'm an independent contractor. I expect this form. You will not receive that form this year. This year, instead, you will receive a 1099 NEC. That is a replacement form for all independent contractors. So when you do receive it, don't be surprised. It functions the same way. It does the same thing. You would behave in the same manner, bring it to your tax meeting, and bring all of your expenses that you need to put in to go against your income. So that is it. So when you do not receive that 1099 miscellaneous form and you receive this 1099 NEC, that is a new form. This weekend it was due out for all of the business owners to send out. That was one of the reasons for the delay. We had, as you guys know, we are an accounting firm and we do service business owners. So that was, one of the little things that our time got consumed on this weekend. So we thought it was a perfect subject to bring out to light to our viewers. If you know of anyone that may benefit from knowing or hearing this information, the form was due yesterday. So if you guys know any business owners, please be sure to, if they're behind for whatever reason, they still have time to file it. It was due yesterday. There will be a penalty for filing, past the deadline, but at least now there's another form you got to fill out. There's going to be, as a business owner, a 1096 summary form that you're going to need to fill out. That's going to go on top of all your 1099s. Very simple to fill out. If you have any questions for us, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. This brings me to the end of our topic. Congratulations, Unique. Thank you for everyone that played. Anyone who has not played, go and subscribe today to be sure that you are entered for our next month's and the following month's raffle. Thank you, and we wish you a great week. Bye.